Now, bird mesh is often considered to be an optional extra, but if you don't have it, pigeons and rodents can get under your panels. Now, this can cause all sorts of issues, from chewed cables to constant scratching and noise under the panels. It also risks fire hazards, insulation damage, and future maintenance costs. Once birds start nesting under the panels, they're very difficult to deter. Even if your property hasn't had an issue before, solar panels provide a sheltered, warm space that attracts birds quickly. If you're not sure whether you need bird protection or not, then it's worth taking a look down the street to see if any of your neighbours have solar systems and whether they're having issues without bird guard. Some solar systems, like this one, are never touched by birds, while others seem to get decimated. I would say that if you're unsure as to whether you need it, then it's probably worth getting a wire mesh fitted for an extra few £100s while the installation is going on. Retrofitting bird mesh later is usually much more expensive and disruptive, especially if you need to put the scaffolding back up. Installing bird guard is a small investment that protects a much larger one.